Today I'm going to show how I made this maxi dress in this video, which is going to be part of 2018 Me Made May hosted by Zoe and 2018 Makes 9 hosted by Rochelle. I am using the width of the fabric as the length of my dress. Fold the required length of the fabric along the length side into one half. Place a well-fitted A-line dress along the open edges of the folded fabric. I have placed the sample dress over the open sides of the folded fabric, keeping half an inch seam allowance. Now mark the neckline for the back side. Then mark the shoulders. Next, mark the sides from the armhole till the waist only. Next, mark the armhole for the back side. So this is my folded fabric. You see on the open end, I have my backside pattern drawn here on the bottom part, and then I took the fabric, I just went over to the diagonally opposite side, which is the folded side of this fabric. Now I've placed my dress again here with the shoulder towards this edge, and because this is going to be the front piece which will be closed in the center, so I've kept the dress flush to the folded side. Now I'll just take a fabric marker and mark my neckline here on the fabric, just the way I did for the back side, till the narrow part of my waist. You can now see the markings for the front and back. Using a scale, I marked the sides, trying to get the maximum possible girth. Mark the bottom with slight curve. Cut out the pattern. First join the back pieces together, then finish the neckline and the armholes using bias strips. Now just sew and sew. First the shoulders, then the sides, and lastly the hemline. And done. Here is my dress with boho look, fit for the morning with friends. Add a belt, accessorize, and ready for the evening out. Like and comment to let me know which look you like the best. Please visit my blog for more details at momdaslifehandmade.netlify.com. The address is given in description box below. And do subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video.